A fascinating facts with Java Jack Ross. Did you know there are over 3,200 castles in Deutschland, all in perfect condition, never damaged by the Royal Air Force or the United States Air Force, because they are church property of our shared royal heritage. Indeed, the Weimar Constitution was a relatively bloodless coup in terms of removing aristocratic titles without using guillotine or any other tactics, such as Red Army assassinations on royal family members or members of the royal family. So, as you can see, uh, there is a God watching Deutschland all the time, and indeed was all the time, but it was Deutschland had to be destroyed. Medieval Europe had to be destroyed one way or another because at the time of Louis the XIII, there was very bad injustice and very bad perversions in medieval Europe, crimes against women and crimes against minorities, and very bad behavior that was hurting uh, the Saint Esprit, Our Lady, was very bad practices were hurting Our Lady. It's also in the Third Secret of Fatima that Our Lady is hurting because of bad practices. So um, industrialists were sent to start a huge war. The Industrial Revolution was sent to start it. Now we're in the later the Industrial Revolution. Right now, Boeing, Airbus have 70 jets ordered for Lufthansa, worth contract worth $95 billion. But all in all, by 2036, Boeing want another 5,400 jets. So you work it out for yourself how many trillion. Yeah. So this is the Industrial Revolution is about to start now. The second industrial revolution is going to be an aviation revolution, and it's going to be Flughafen Frankfurt is going to be in the center of it, which was part of our old Saint Empire, where Francois Premier was coronated. So as you can see, um, the Roi de la France, Roi de l'Angleterre, and Roi de l'Allemagne have always had a plan for all of us together. They are our gods, same as in Rusland, La Russie also. This is the truth that is hidden. This, finally, the royal family in heaven are allowing industrialists to help everybody. This is the time.